All right, Miss Nina, let's take a look at what we got from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby.
Give thanks.
Those are placemats. I haven't decided if I'm going to use those or on the table or use them in my craft. We'll see. That's going to go on the kitchen table.
That's just sit over there.
Mm-hmm. That's going to go on the dining room table.
Okay.
Well, let me see them cute little stickers. Yeah, I think we're going to use some of these in the project.
This is a silicone turkey roast. Baster.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that would be cute to go in there.
Mm-hmm. And then some ribbon.
Oh, yeah, we're going to
Wire edge ribbon. It's got sunflowers on it.
Let's
Real
take a
cute.
look at that one. That is super cute.
Mm-hmm.
I definitely think we should use this in our...
And you got,
Oh, look at those. Let's see them.
I'm not sure what they are.
I think they're squirrels. Turn them around. Yeah, there's a squirrel. Think we're going to put them in there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, these are cute. Look at them, guys.
You got a deer.
Oh, did I get two of these?
I think that's a deer.
I only meant to get one each, but hey. We are making more than one craft, so probably. And this is a raccoon. He looks like a raccoon.
These are metallic and
Just bring them to the... Yeah, we're going to use those. Now, let me see that bag.
you have some Thanksgiving plates with leaves on them.
I think I might can use those. Let me see.
And then some give thanks.
Which ones you think would be cuter in a packaging? Those or these? Matter of fact, y'all tell me what y'all think. Which one of these two would be cuter in my craft?
I think these.
You think those?
Give thanks.
Okay, so we'll use those, and you can put those. I use those for Thanksgiving.
These.
But y'all can chime in too and let me know what y'all think.
We have some kitchen towels. There, it says, let me see. I'm gonna show you one and read the other. It says grateful hearts gather here.
Oh, just come a little closer.
Got little sunflowers on them.
Okay. I might use one or both of these. Let's see. Oh yeah.
This blue one says, share your blessings. And then this white one says, fall is my favorite color.
Okay. I'm thinking about using these together, like so. Like here, bring it closer. Maybe like put them together, like maybe like that, or like this. I don't know. We'll see. So far, this is all the stuff I got that we working on in this craft project.
These are the same ones there.
Those are the same ones.
They're all the same.
I think I wanted 2 of those for myself to go on my stove. So you can put those with the Thanksgiving stuff.
It says, give thanks for he is good. Yeah, they're both the same. 1 Chronicles 16 and 34.
Okay. I think I'll use one set and maybe we'll eat on one set.
Let me repeat that. It says, give thanks for he is good. 1 Chronicles 16 and 34.
Okay.
Yeah. And then this is a dog.
I can already tell you I'm going to use those in my craft gift. Let me see. Yep. That is super cute.
And then these are zipper bags.
Yeah, I'm thinking about putting some candy in here and maybe using these bags.
And these are spatulas.
Turn them around. Yep, those go in my gifts.
You want these for you?
Yeah, I'm gonna use those. All right, that's everything we got from Hobby Lobby.
One more thing. Sunflowers, stickers.
All right, yes, I'm gonna be using those. Well, we still haven't gotten our check from, we're not gonna call their name. So we figured we'll see what Hobby Lobby does. We doing your advertisement for your Hobby Lobby. Can we get some money? Can you send us a check? All right, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna let you see how this turns out. See y'all next time.
Bye.